This is Gary Atensi with CNTV, and today we're at Park Meadows Mall in Denver, Colorado. We're at Saj Mediterranean Grill. Since 2009, have been providing age-old, timeless recipes for the folks here in Denver. I'm here with the owner and founder. Ollie, let me ask you, how did this begin? What got you started in this type of industry?
I love food, and I have other businesses, but I always wanted to get into the food industry. So I did a research and development on my concept before I opened my first store, and here we go. We have our second right here.
A real big milestone to put that second one in place. Obviously, you're off and going. Hopefully, a nationwide thing here because people love what you're providing. Let me ask you, we caught you on a big day here. It's a ribbon cutting. It's your formal introduction to the community here. Have you always been an entrepreneur and been happy to provide something that the community loves?
Absolutely. I think entrepreneurship is in the heart, and I have it. I started a restaurant in '95, then I started another business called Catalyst Search, then I started a dealership, and then in the restaurant business again.
We're real excited to have Saj. It's actually the only new store that we put in the dining hall this year. It's a healthy choice, and it's so exciting because it's also locally owned and operated. The food is healthy, it's different, it's Mediterranean. It has so many positive things going for it. I think the food's wonderful.
Let me ask you, Mediterranean, why do you think people gravitate towards it and just seem to love it?
Mediterranean food is known to be very healthy because we use a lot of lemon juice, garlic, vinegar, olive oil, and I wanted to get the opportunity to provide my food to the public so they could eat and taste healthy food.
Wonderful, and obviously one of the big deals is 100% natural. We're talking about very fresh.
It is. The idea is to provide clean and healthy food. So everything we do is 100% natural. We do from scratch daily in our main store.
What you've really mastered is the fact that you're able to take these old timeless recipes, making them from scratch, but yet providing them in a really quick service environment.
You know, it's very important these days to serve fast food because a lot of people are they have jobs, they take short lunches, and they just want to get a quick bite. But it's always, out there is the not so healthy. And I wanted to provide our healthy food in a quick, casual environment. So it took me a little while to put it together and make sure our food that could be served fast.
Let's start with the name, Saj. What is Saj? What is Saj bread? Tell the viewers.
Saj is a upside down wok. In the old days, they used to burn wood under the wok, as you say. They bring the dough and toss it across their hands, and they just lay it down on the saj to make the bread. So I wanted to modernize it and make it faster and better. I changed the concept of the concave metal sheet that makes bread to a flat, small griddle to make our Saj bread on it.
So we're talking about that same great taste, but you put it into a situation that basically we can get it out there real quick for the customer.
Yeah, absolutely. And I also trademarked the bread for Saj. In addition to our signature Saj bread, we make pita bread from scratch as well. And the bread are done in each store separately. So we have an oven here that the temperature goes up to 1,000 degrees to make that pita. So it's pretty unique. As far as the Saj and pita, they both come in whole wheat and white as well.
Let's jump into the menu a little bit here. Obviously, it's quick food, people are able to get it, but we're talking about full meals that you're talking about, full plates that you offer.
Yeah, we offer a variety of food, and there's a lot of vegetarian items on our menu. We have, beef kebab, chicken kebab, shawarma, from beef to chicken to lamb. And again, everything we do is from scratch in our main store.
Speaking of one of the tasty ingredients, a lot of these things are your secret sauces that you put on top of that as well.
Absolutely. It's the whole menu. It's something that I created and developed to get to this point.
Be it a pita or a wrap, a lot of these ingredients, are you able to incorporate those into a salad for somebody who likes to eat a little lighter?
Sure. I have several salads that we offer. One is the fattoush salad, then we have the tabbouleh, then we have cabbage and for the people that don't want to eat bread. In addition, we have a lot of vegan and vegetarian items on our menu.
One thing I noticed as well, obviously you're right in the middle of a mall, your other location also at a mall, so your food has to be kid-friendly as well. And I see you got some stuff there for the kids. Tell us about that.
It's very important when a family comes out, they want to go to a place to feed their kids as well. So I wanted to provide and offer a few items for their kids to eat as well and enjoy.
What is the manakish?
Manakish is a flat bread that we toss some cheese on it and grill it on the griddle, similar to a quesadillas. And also you could add to it za'atar, which is thyme, sesame. Thyme is well known to be a very healthy herb that boosts the memory, actually.
Obviously, Park Meadows Mall, they're happy to have you here because it's another choice that their consumers are able to have. But like the person here said earlier, it's a healthy choice, and I think that's important for people out there as well. Folks, take a look at the bottom of your screen right there. You're going to see their website, and you'll also see the location of their place there at the South Glen Mall. Keep in mind you can take a look at the menu items on there as well. And remember also, if you have a catering event out there and you'd like them to cater for you, they do all that as well. They've got some preset packages, or they can put it together a la carte for you, you name it. But once again, you're out and about in the mall here and you're looking for something that will please your taste buds, and quite honestly, kind of a Mediterranean escape, really, back to the old town for a lot of folks where they can enjoy something they haven't had in quite a while. It's wonderful. So remember that, folks. That is eat well and live long, Saj style. This is Gary Atensi with CNTV. And if you don't know, now you know.